Hi, I'm sitting in the new 2022 Opel Vauxhall Astra. The problem here is the radio DAB that doesn't work. The antenna has no line. The car has Wi-Fi and not even the Wi-Fi is working. Neither radio nor Wi-Fi. Neither radio nor Wi-Fi. The panel is compact. Could it have been the antenna cable that came loose from the panel? Could it be antenna's electronic board that burned out? Will a DAB radio card be needed as I have crossed the border from one country to another? And will a country code be needed? Well, some questions I don't have answers to. If you can help me, I would appreciate it. Thanks. Here on the plus signs, there shall be the logos of the radio stations, and they are not. When I click on the radio stations, a message appears that says, "A moment, radio antenna is not yet available. Please wait." And it stays like that all the time. The message continues all the time. This panel is very long and I don't know how to remove it to see if there is a disconnected cable. Inside this shark antenna there is an electronic board. Inside the lining there is an access hole. Here. Here at the top of the panel the Wi-Fi icon previously appeared, but now it doesn't. Okay, if you could give me any advice about this radio failure, I will appreciate it. Thank you.